Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick video. I'm going to do basically a review on the new Pro series by Traeger. I've got the Pro 575, and then we're going to go into a little bit of a comparison between the old Pro to the new Pro. So let's get started with the Pro 575 here. A couple big significant differences is the Wi-Fi technology in it, the new reader, everything, the computer system. It's actually amazing. Yesterday I took it out for a spin. I threw some meat on at lunch, and then I went to work, and then I went to my parents last night for supper, and then the meat didn't finish till 8. So I was just checking it on my phone the entire time, no matter where I went. I'll pull it up here. We'll check it out. So basically, it's got everything from what the grill is at. It's set at 325 right now. It's at 320. If I want to increase it or decrease it, I can literally go into the app and anything I want, press set temp, I'm good to go. If I've got meat in there right now, I'd have a probe hooked up, it would tell me what the temperature of the meat is. You can set timers for spritzing or for checking or wrapping or whatever you like. That's the first part of this that the new one has, the old one did not. Then from there, it actually has a new motor. They call it the D2. It's a brushless motor. It's way more powerful. It actually gets a little bit more smoke flavor in your food, to be honest with you. I've done cooks, the exact same cooks now on both grills at the same time, and this thing gets a deeper smoke ring. The flavor is deeper. Even my wife said the ribs were better off of here. Same ribs, same everything, rub, sauce, technique, everything. When you open them up, which I'll show you in a minute here, because of that new motor and how fast and powerful it is, it will get back to temperature way faster, which is a huge deal when you're doing things like brisket, pork butts, all that. Middle of winter up here in Canada, open the lid, all the heat goes, takes 10-15 minutes to get back with this. This, a minute to 2 minutes. So let's do that test right now. Let's open them both up. So we'll open them up here, and we'll go for, I don't know, let's drop it down under 250. So as you can see, it's dropping right now, and then we'll close it up, and then I'll open it back up and explain the inside and what I really like about it. So let's close this back up. Let's close it back up. Let's close this one back up. So as you can see right now, it's closed, and you will notice that it will start climbing immediately. So if you look on the screen there, it is fast. It immediately climbs back up. So it'll take no time at all for that one to get back up. And this one is actually still on the way down according to the reading. It'll work its way out. Now that one's slowly going to start climbing back up as well. This is just super fast. They call it turbo temp, and it is really fast. It is amazing. It will get back up to temperature in no time. Then another part that I love, and we can open this up, is take a look at the gap in between the front rack and the upper rack. It is huge. You can actually fit back there. You can rotate wings if you're putting food back there. It just gives you a little bit more ease of use using the whole rack. This is the new model. It's a taller barrel. It's more of a pill shape instead of a circular shape. If you come over to the side here, Peter, and you take a look, it's not a perfect circle. So it's actually 2 inches taller than the old Pro model, which gives it a lot more room inside for bigger beer can chickens. And I love that the top rack is higher. Let's take a look at the older one. And look how low it is. So you really can't get to the back rack with the upper rack in. It is very tough without tongs, and it just makes it a little bit tougher. Beer can chicken fits, but a beer can turkey will not. In that one, there is no problem. As for the hoppers, they're the exact same. They fit, I believe, 18 pounds. But yeah, those are probably, the ins and outs. This is a great grill. I love my Pro 34. It's unreal. But honestly, the turbo temp, the WiFire, the new motor, the taller barrel, there's nothing I don't love about the new grill. And the price, they didn't change the price. The Pro 22 is $1,099 in Canada. This one comes in at $1,099. There's a Pro 34, which was $1,399. This is called the Pro 780, that one that matches, and it's $1,399. So honestly, you can't go wrong with either, but this has a lot more bells and whistles. And like I said, I've been cooking on it now for 2 weeks, and everything that I've eaten off of it and done is it's just better. It's more efficient, uses less pellets. And the Wi-Fi just gets me every time. I'm a huge fan. So honestly, if you can't get this one, that's the only one available. It's a great grill. I love all my Pro series, but the new Pro, it is definitely a step above. Traeger outdid themselves, and there is better models. There's an Ironwood, which is the above, and then a Timberline from there. And The differences you get there is a little bit more stainless steel on the inside. This has a very little on the inside. The ironwood has quite a bit more, and then the Timberline is fully stainless steel on the inside. But they are increases of $500 to the ironwood, and then I think another $500 or $700 to the Timberline. So you are going to pay for that, but they all have the new WiFire, the D2 technology. Ironwood and Timberline have the super smoke setting, which is amazing. And the Timberline also has the pellet sensor, which will tell you on your app and everything if your pellets are running low or all that fun stuff. So there's a lot more to it, but that's the basic gist of it. I love them all, but the new Pro Series is pretty phenomenal. Hey Parker, how are you?
Daddy.
Hey, how's it going? You having a good time? What's up?
Joel, Dad, and Mom.
Yep.
They are butchering cows.
They are. And then we're gonna cook it on the Traeger. Yeah. All right, buddy. So yeah, guys, have a great day. Cheers.